Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis's big warning to gangsters. Will not be allowing any gang in Mumbai. This is the warning that in fact seems to come in from the Chief Minister under the circumstances, or rather in the backdrop of gangsters breathing down Bolly celeb's neck. Fadnavis comes out to say every gangster plot will be stopped. Remember, Bishnoi gang threatened Ranveer, Salman. We've seen shootout take place right outside Rohit Shetty's house just a few days ago. There have been a series of such incidents. Kapil Sharma, AP Dhillon, several such stars from the industry who have been threatened, who have in fact even witnessed shootouts right in front of their residences, or they've received threat calls or extortion calls from these gang members. So this is what Fadnavis's message is at this point of time in the backdrop of all of this happening. Let's quickly listen into him.
पहली बात तो यह है कि जिन लोगों ने किया उनको अरेस्ट किया है, और ये संदेशा भेजने वाले सही है कि गलत है, या बहती गंगा में कोई हाथ धो रहा है, इसको भी ढूंढने का काम चल रहा है। कोई भी गैंग हो मुंबई में हम उनको पैर पसारने नहीं देंगे। इससे पहले भी प्रयास जिन्होंने किया, मुंबई पुलिस ने उनको अपनी जगह दिखाई है, और अभी भी कोई भी प्रयास करेगा तो जगह दिखाई जाएगी। कई बार ये ध्यान में आता है कि कुछ पब्लिसिटी लेने के लिए भी ऐसी चीज़ें की जाती है, क्योंकि जब किसी स्टार के स्टाफ को धमकी मिलती है तो उसकी बड़ी खबर बन जाती है।
So that is the message, loud and clear from the Chief Minister at this point of time. Of course, what he has mentioned, a lot of times there are these calls made by certain people who want to come into the limelight, because as they say, all publicity is publicity at the end of the day, be it negative or positive. But in this case, there's also a very concerning and alarming trend that comes to the forefront, which indeed sees a rise in threats to these Bollywood stars. And of course, for that reason, their security also ends up becoming very crucial at this given point of time. So it's a lot that's happening at this point when we speak of all these stars being threatened consistently by what people have been claiming to be from different gangs, especially from the Bishnoi gang. But well, let's quickly once more listen to what the Chief Minister has to say in the backdrop of the rise in such threat calls.
पहली बात तो यह है कि जिन लोगों ने किया उनको अरेस्ट किया है, और ये संदेशा भेजने वाले सही है कि गलत है, या बहती गंगा में कोई हाथ धो रहा है, इसको भी ढूंढने का काम चल रहा है। कोई भी गैंग हो मुंबई में हम उनको पैर पसारने नहीं देंगे। इससे पहले भी प्रयास जिन्होंने किया, मुंबई पुलिस ने उनको अपनी जगह दिखाई है, और अभी भी कोई भी प्रयास करेगा तो जगह दिखाई जाएगी। कई बार ये ध्यान में आता है कि कुछ पब्लिसिटी लेने के लिए भी ऐसी चीज़ें की जाती है, क्योंकि जब किसी स्टार के स्टाफ को धमकी मिलती है तो उसकी बड़ी खबर बन जाती है।
We now have Vidya joining with us on the broadcast with more details on these very remarks made by the Chief Minister. Vidya, a very good morning to you. Let's understand one thing. The Chief Minister coming out to say this at a time when this entire rise has been seen in threats to Bollywood celebrities. It also resembles quite a bit of what we had seen at an era when Bollywood used to have to deal with the underworld. So that, in fact, conversation has been coming up again and again in the recent times, that is that era then back in Bollywood. But the Chief Minister seems to be reassuring that that's not the case, and we'll take care of all such security concerns being raised.
Well, technically, if you look at it, it is certainly reassuring to know that, the police is really dealing with it. But if you look at it, there are FIRs. What he's really talking about is that in the cases where the FIRs is registered, I remember, say, for example, in the Salman Khan firing case, Baba Siddiqui murder case, or say, for example, the Shetty firing case. In these cases, the FIRs are registered, and pursuant to that, arrests have been made. But in other threat calls, say, for example, in Ranveer Singh threat call, there is no FIR per se. So, as of now, Mumbai police is right now just looking at what exactly is the reason, who is this person, whether it is a hoax or not. But as of now, since there is no FIR, there is no proper investigation that has really begun. Similarly, in the case of, say, Salman Khan's relative, these are all cases that have just come up before Mumbai police, but not like in a formal way, where there are no FIRs registered. So pursuant to that, no investigation, no arrest has been made so far. However, Mumbai police on their own are trying to track down those numbers and trying to find out if those people are really meant to give threat, or where they're just hoax. And as the Chief Minister was saying, the people just wanting some fame, and that is why they are threatening the celebrities.
Vidya, another concern here is the ones who have claimed to be from a certain gang. Now, especially, suppose if we speak of the Bishnoi gang itself. Bishnoi gang doesn't operate just in India. The entire modus operandi even goes abroad at this point. So, for Mumbai police to be coordinating the investigation, especially when it comes to gangs which function from abroad, that also comes in as quite a big challenge. So, how are they planning on tackling with that when we speak of threats coming in from gangs that are based abroad, or people who are operating those gangs sitting abroad?
Well, as of now, say for example, in the Rohit Shetty case, no, a broad kind of connection has really been found out, because remember, Lawrence Bishnoi himself is in a prison in Gujarat, while his brother Anmol Bishnoi, who was active until now in, say for example, the Salman Khan firing case or the Baba Siddiqui firing case, he has also been deported from abroad, and he's been brought, and he's right now in Tihar jail. So, who is it really who is threatening and firing is something that the Mumbai police is still trying to find out. They have not found out. They're saying that, because on the social media there have been claims that it is from the Bishnoi gang again. Say, for example, the Rohit Shetty firing case. But right now, Mumbai police is still trying to, probe in the dark, because they don't have the shooter. Remember, the person who shot at Rohit Shetty's house, that person is still at large. He's not been arrested. So that connection as to who really was behind this, that's still
so that
something
probe is
that
still continuing at this point of time. Right, Vidya. Thank you for bringing us all those details on this particular case. And we are also keeping a very close track of all these threats that have been coming in and how the investigating authorities have been dealing with it.